Weather dramatically changes how hardware for kick-in-proof doors fits, performs, and lasts. When installing kick-in-proof door hardware in areas with frequent rain or high humidity, choose stainless steel or coated fasteners and strike plates to resist rust and galvanic corrosion. In hot climates, allow for thermal expansion by leaving minimal clearance around reinforced plates and using longer screws that reach framing beyond just the door jamb. Pre-drill holes to avoid splitting and to ensure consistent torque without overdriving. In cold climates, metals can contract and sealants can stiffen, so use low-temperature flexible sealants rated for sub-zero performance and torque screws to a lower initial setting, then recheck after a seasonal temperature cycle to prevent loosening. Pay attention to the door sweep and threshold fit, because moisture and debris can lift or misalign the door, reducing the effectiveness of the reinforcement. Adjust the strike plate position slightly to maintain continuous contact. Use corrosion-inhibiting grease on moving parts like hinges and latch assemblies, but do not over-apply where grit accumulates. Wipe excess and reapply every 6 to 12 months, depending on exposure. Finally, when installing in mixed climates, plan for differential movement between materials by using washers or isolation sleeves where stainless fasteners meet dissimilar metals to reduce electrochemical reactions. Common mistakes include using standard zinc-plated screws that rust quickly in wet environments, which leads to staining and weakened anchorage, and the fix is to replace them with stainless steel screws and inspect annually. Another issue is over-relying on rigid sealants that crack in cold weather, causing water intrusion and frozen movement, so swap to a flexible, low-temperature rated sealant and reseal after major temperature swings. A third frequent problem is improper screw length or insufficient framing engagement, which allows pull-out under impact, so always use screws long enough to penetrate stud framing by at least 1 inch and verify anchorage into solid wood or engineered blocking. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for climate-resilient door upgrades with local contractors experienced in weatherized hardware installation and maintenance. We also help contractors find work and share practical tips in our discussion community, where we and our members trade installation details, product experiences, and seasonal checklists.